Hi darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this face, stumbling on this channel, you're definitely welcome. I want to say a huge thank you for clicking this video. Why not just complete the action by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and of course sharing with your friends. Leave a comment down below as well if you enjoyed this video, but that's after watching it anyways. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Love you guys to the moon and back, because you guys are literally the best. The fact that you guys keep on returning to my channel to watch my content, it's just mind-blowing. Thank you so much for trusting me. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Maryann. On this channel, I make videos ranging from beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. Very recently, I've started incorporating YouTube growth tips and business videos. If those are videos or areas that you're interested in, then definitely click the subscribe button, because I have got a bunch of videos like that coming up to you guys for the rest of the year, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Today's video is a collaboration video, and it's inspired by none other than James Charles. From his show Instant Influencer episode 3, I have collaborated with the best of the best beauty influencers, makeup artists, content creator, anything you want to call them, but they're the best of the best, to make this lockdown less depressing for you, because let's be honest, it has been super depressing. I mean, at first it was all fun, like, oh, if anybody should ask you, what are you doing, you get to say, oh, I'm working from home, I'm doing this from home, because we never get to do this. And if you work in Lagos, you know that you wake up 5 a.m. to get to work at 6, 7, and then you come back home 11. You're literally in traffic or at the office. You don't get time to be at home. So now making it compulsory just gives you time to enjoy being at home. But as they say, everything, good things should be in moderation. Too much of everything is bad, so that's what we're currently dealing with. But I trust that you guys are handling it the best way you can. But if you're not handling it the best way you can, that's where we come in. Today we're going to be sharing one step of our makeup routine and sharing with you guys tips and tricks to help you become more productive and more lively during this lockdown. Please make sure to watch this video to the end, because you just might see your favorite influencer and learn one or two things from them. Let's get started. To kick off today's video is one of Nigeria's most talented and most amazing beauty influencer. She's small but mighty, and she makes the most engaging and amazing content on social media, specifically Instagram and YouTube. I love everything that she stands for, and me personally, anytime I watch her videos, I'm always blown. Like, how does she even do it? Don't think any further. Let me just hand it over to OJ. Over to you, OJ.
Oh, thanks, babe. Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I'm kicking off this collaboration, and I'm going to start off with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I already prepped and primed my face, so yeah, let's get right into it. How's everyone holding up this lockdown period? I know it's been super hard on some people, actually a lot of people, including me. But guys, we have to stay positive and stay productive, okay? Speaking of being productive, what have you guys been up to? Personally, I started doing this online videography course, to spice up my editing a bit. And I've also been watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to use Lightroom to edit, because that's a great app actually. I feel like we have all these platforms, we have all these search engines, so why not just take advantage of it? For example, YouTube is here to teach you basically everything. Anything you need to know, just type it and search on YouTube. You literally find it. So let's take advantage of this period. Learn something new, cooking, dancing, anything you always wanted to do or learn. So now that we have our foundation locked, next we'll be highlighting and contouring. And to take us through this step, I'll be passing over the concealer to D, aka Sugar Yemi J, an amazing beauty influencer from the Caribbean island. Hey D, over to you.
Thanks, OJ. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using these two concealers, and this is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And to set, I'm going to be using Morphe's Bake and Set, and this one is in Banana Rich. And I'm also going to be doing a little bit of contour, well, more or less bronzing, using the new bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I've actually been learning some new activities, mastering home cooking. I have so much time on my hands right now, so I'm just trying to do like new stuff. Also, having a toddler, it makes it more interesting, because he wants to eat donuts, pizza, and these are some of the things that I've actually been learning how to cook, how to bake more. And normally, like, I love my kitchen, I love trying new recipes, but it's just been like really interesting being at home 24/7 and really just learning new things. And I've also tried a garden. So I have a mini garden right now in my backyard where I just started planting some herbs. I also have some cucumbers, some lettuce and carrot. This is just so exciting. So we're gonna be moving on to the next step, and my girl Diarani is gonna show you guys how to apply your blush, your bronzer, and your face powder.
Oh, thanks sis. That was a good catch for someone that has zero eye to hand coordination. So guys, I'm Diarani, and for my part of the video, I'm going to be adding warmth and color to our skin because nobody's trying to look like Frosty the Snowman. Okay. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be telling you guys my favorite apps that have helped me during this lockdown. So I'm going to be dipping into my Adventure Face palette. And for my first tip, it is definitely, in no particular order by the way, it is definitely Netflix. Why? Because sis, if you're not binge watching your favorite TV shows to keep your mind distracted from every single thing that's going on in the world, then boo, what are you doing? For real, what are you doing? And for the next apps, I'm just going to classify them and call it all social media. So basically you have Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok. One, you can like video call and text your family and friends. Oh, what's up? How you doing? How's your side? Hope you're not hiding weight. Second one, however, you can learn cool dances. Yeah. Another one, you can just basically like read funny tweets that'll just get your mind off stuff. And lastly, you have Instagram, like where you can just, you know, get inspirational photos and, you know, just see people and like your favorite celebrities. I know, you know, my Milani blush. I'm just gonna tell you guys the last app, and this app for me is like the king of all apps. Guess what app that is? Guess. Get it? Well, okay, I'm gonna tell you. It is YouTube, because sis, everything is on YouTube. You want to learn how to, you know, dance the cool TikTok dances, YouTube. You want to get spoilers from your favorite Netflix TV show just in case you don't have the heart like me to like contain suspense, YouTube. YouTube is the most productive app, and YouTube has every freaking thing. So YouTube is definitely like the king of all things. Like that is like my favorite app that has helped me during this lockdown. So guys, I hope with the few apps that I mentioned, if you're not already using anyone, you hop on it instantly. Specifically YouTube, like YouTube has everything for you, sis. And now to give it to the brow queen, my girl Mute is about to show us how to slay her brows. Sis, I got your pencil. Catch.
Thank you, Diarani. Hi guys, so my section is brows, and for my brows I like to use my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. To start with, I like to use the spoolie that comes with the brow pencil to brush my brow hair up, and I hope we have a good brow day today, because lately I've been having bad brow days, so I hope today is an exception. I hope the spirit of brows falls on me today. How are you guys doing? How are you guys coping with the whole situation? For me, it hasn't been so bad. I won't even say I felt it that much, because even when there was no pandemic, when there was no situation, I was always a homebody. I like staying at home. As long as there's TV, there's food, there's internet, I'm good. I won't even say the lockdown has affected me that much, because I don't do anything differently now. The only thing I can complain about is that I'm always scared to go to the grocery store. And yeah, that's pretty much all it has done to me. But nothing has really changed, besides the fact that now I can be more productive because my husband is home more often and he can help watch the baby. Nothing really has changed. Trying to talk while doing my brows is quite hard. I like to go in with upward strokes in front right here. And yeah, I wouldn't say actually that this pandemic did anything for me, because trust me, there's no difference. I can stay in my house for 1 week, for 2 weeks without going out, and I would not feel it, and it will not even bother me. So this is just like a normal day for me. I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with my L'Oreal concealer in the shade Chestnut. Next, I like to go in with my Maybelline Clear Mascara, and I just use this to brush the brows, and I use upward strokes as well. So that's it for my brows. And guys, remember, your brows are sisters and not twins, but mine are looking more like distant cousins today, you know. Now we're going to be moving on to eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow, introducing the beautiful, the gorgeous, the stunning, melanin popping catchy. Here you go, girl.
Thank you, the beautiful Okonkwo. So I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this eyeshadow look on this eyes, and also do like a chit chat on how this lockdown has been for me, guys. So guys, this lockdown has actually been a lot for me. Like, I personally do not even think that I will be starting a YouTube channel anytime soon, because when I see the stress, like when I see people upload, videos, I'm like, wow, I can't even go through this stress, to edit and all of that. But then, I don't know, the whole boredom and not having anything to do just made me, start up the channel. And yeah, so far it has been really amazing. I cannot lie. Oh my god, I used blue instead of purple. Yeah, so it has been really amazing. I can't even lie, because the support I've gotten so far over just a month, that I started my channel, it has been so amazing. So I guess this lockdown hasn't been so bad for me, although there are times that you feel down and all of that, but it's been so amazing. So I hope you guys stay safe and stay happy. And now, to show us how to fix our lash like a boss, I'm gonna be calling on one of the amazing YouTubers in Northern Nigeria, Aisha. Here you go, girl.
Oh, thank you, Kachi. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you all how I wear my false lashes, and the lashes I'm going to be using today is from Wink Lashes in Give Them. So I'm also going to be showing you guys like my top 5 favorite Netflix shows. So these are shows I've been binge watching since this lockdown started. And the first one is Love is Blind. If you enjoy like watching cheesy reality shows, then this one is for you. So like, people are being placed in this pod and then they are asked to like communicate, and then they even get engaged without actually seeing each other. So everything is just based on what the other person is saying and their emotions. Oh, cute. So the second one is Sex Education. I actually loved watching that show. It's about this high school kid whose mom is a sex therapist. So he goes to his school and like started charging people for sex advice. So the third one is Friends. So I've seen Friends like 4 to 5 times, and I laugh every time like a funny scene comes on. There are 10 seasons, so you just keep watching. The next one is Too Hot to Handle. If you love trash TV, this is for you. It's about all these hot people that were put in an island. They were actually, it was among the rules to not like touch each other and kiss or have sex. And then there was like a prize at the end, and if you break any of the rules, money is deducted from you guys' account. And the last one, guys, is Elite. So it's like a Spanish TV show about high school kids. It's like Gossip Girl, but like on a whole new level. They're like solving murders and all those good stuff.
So while I wear my lipstick, I'm going to be telling you guys of how I've been posting consistently during this quarantine period. As much as it seems like we have a lot of time on our hands, it can also get really hard to get yourself to film videos and post consistently during this period, because I feel like this is a period nobody ever thought would ever happen. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips on how I stay consistent during this period. The first one is to always plan your videos. I'll suggest you plan your videos and try to binge film. If you can, film at least 2 videos in a day, and that can even do you for as long as 1 week. Or you could film today, edit tomorrow, post the day after. You could do something like that. I'd also suggest not beating yourself up during this period, because it can get very easy to beat yourself up and say, oh, I have to be creative because everybody else is creative. But the truth is that you don't have to be creative if you don't feel like. But then I'll suggest that you just think of your goals. And what I personally do is that I think of the goals I've set for myself long term, and if I stop posting now, if I stop being active now, those goals won't come to pass. So one big tip I would say is just to remind yourself of what your goals are. So plan your videos and remind yourself of what your goals are and try to work towards them. So I'm going to be passing on setting spray to May Beauty Pro. She's an amazing beauty blogger. She has bomb content, quality, crisp, clean content. So over to you.
Thank you, Sarah. So guys, I'll be spraying my face and applying my lip gloss while talking to you guys about all the things that this lockdown has taught me. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Okonkwo Rose Gold setting spray. I really love this stuff. Just going to spray it all over my face so that it takes my face from powdery to a very dewy, succulent look. So basically during this lockdown, I've been doing a bunch of stuff. I don't know, for some reason it just seems like I have been my most productive self during this lockdown than I have ever been in my life. I have taken online courses, I have started a business, I have been producing videos every day, like consistently. I don't know, I think it just affects everybody differently, so to say. And another thing that it has also taught me, it has also taught me about the things that really matters most to me. It has given me an opportunity to spend time with babe here, and there's no excuses of there's no excuses of him saying, oh, I have to go to work. There's no work from home. Even the work from home self that he will be forming every day, it just gives us time. There's no excuses. It has also given me time to reflect, and I have been like really reading the law of attraction and how to manifest the things that I feel and I know that I deserve in life. And I've been watching a couple of videos that have taught me how to. So I even have a vision board now. After watching several videos, I decided to create a vision board. It's on my laptop, it's on my phone. So every time I wake up in the morning, it's there. I'm looking at it. I'm thinking, oh, this is going to be me one day. There's been a lot, but I would say I've been super busy during this lockdown. Babe, your spoon and plate is disturbing me. So yeah, I'd say I've been super productive. It has taught me that regardless of the situation, you can still make it work. You can still do all the things that you enjoy doing and even do it more. Like, who would have thought that I would be able to start a business during the whole lockdown quarantine? Like, it's crazy. Who would have thought I would be more consistent during this time? Like, nobody. Do you understand? So it just made me realize like a bunch of things, that I can actually achieve anything that I set my mind to. Even the items on my vision board, like now I feel like I can achieve everything. Do you understand? I can achieve everything and I will achieve everything. So yeah, so if you haven't been taking time off during this quarantine to really reflect on all the things that you're going through and what you think you should be achieved, just take this time out to really enjoy yourself. Spend time with your family, call them, talk with them, converse with them, hold them. If they don't want to talk to you, hold them. Don't let them go anywhere. Someone is looking at me as if I'm lying. They'll be forming I'm working from home. It's stressful, is that, but you still see them. They're the ones calling work. Oh, come and give me work. So this gloss used to be clear, but now because I've been using it on different lip colors, it has turned pink, but that's fine. It still works great. And that brings us to the very end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this virtual collaboration. It has been super amazing working with these amazing ladies, right from the planning phase to the execution phase. Nobody complained. It was just a very smooth ride. I appreciate every one of you for collaborating with me on this particular video. Please, the viewers, if you're watching this, make sure to go visit them on their own channel, show them some love, subscribe to their channels, like their videos, and share with your friends as well. I'm going to link all their channels down below. All you have to do, all you literally have to do, is click the link to each and every one of them and go subscribe to their channel. Tell them Maryann sent you. And yeah, I hope you guys learned one or two things and you saw your favorite MUA and beauty influencer on this platform, on this video, in this video. So let me know down below, what activities have you been doing to keep yourself mentally fit and mentally productive? What new hobbies have you taken up? What movies are you watching on Netflix? What are your favorite apps that have been keeping you company? Just let me know down below and perhaps I'll check them out. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, smash the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel. And if you're coming from my beautiful collaborators channel to my own channel, you're welcome. You are welcome. Smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the fun content that I have planned for you, and you. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.